Hello and welcome to PETA. Congratulations to you and your school on joining a thriving community of educators dedicated to providing a meaningful English and literacies education for all students. We're so thankful for your support. Members like you make it possible for us to create all the resources and materials you're about to discover. As the company admin and member of a member school or organisation, we've compiled the first few steps you can take to ensure you and all the teachers at your school can make the most of your PETA membership. You're invested in us, so now we want to show we're invested in you. Managing your school membership. As the company administrator managing your school's membership, it is important that we know the right ways to contact you. To check your profile is up to date and accurate, please log in and click the avatar at the top right corner where it says Hi. The little grey pencil icon here shows what you can edit or update. We recommend that you ensure your job title is correct so we can make sure you receive information tailored just for you. The blue box at the top shows you the actions you can perform as the school's company administrator. Clicking the name of the school brings up the school profile, which is where you'll manage all your school information. You'll see your school's contact information, your membership expiry date, invoice information, and your staff list. Please take a moment to make sure your school's address is correct, because we send 2 member packs to schools 3 times a year, and we don't want you to miss out on a single one. You can access and pay for invoices here at the Invoices tab, including your membership renewal. You can pay with a credit card or select Pay Later to be sent an invoice. Did you know that if you renew for 2 years, you'll save 10%? When membership is due, the Renew Now button will be bright blue. School membership allows all teachers at the school to access the member benefits. We recommend that you add all your staff to the PETA membership because with logins of their own and open access to our hundreds of resources, materials and more, they'll be able to take charge of their own professional development and bring their PETA membership into the classroom. Please send lists of all teachers, their email addresses and job titles to info@petaa.edu.au so that we can update the school membership and notify teachers of their login details. Professional learning. Now that your information is up to date, you're ready to explore PETA's educator resource materials, professional learning and development opportunities. Starting with professional learning. The PETA Professional Learning Calendar is jam-packed with a range of courses that dive deep into aspects of English and literacies. Courses are taught and developed by leading educational professionals, researchers and educators. We have options for whole school registration so you and your team can learn together. We also provide in-school professional learning for staff meetings and development days. Search the listings or contact us for more information. Within our Professional Learning tab, you'll also find our upcoming webinars. Sign up for member-exclusive webinars with leading educators or children's book authors. Webinars inside look at the writing process, best classroom practice and more. Best of all, they're free. Publications. PETA's referent texts are critically acclaimed, award-winning titles aimed at transforming teaching practice for improved student outcomes. You'll receive 2 copies of 3 books we publish each year in your free member packs. But why not explore PETA's catalogue? As a member school, you and your staff receive at least a 35% discount on every single title. Take a look at our bundles aimed at different areas within English and literacies to immediately refresh your professional resource library. Teaching resources. PETA's extensive collection of teaching units are a great way to bring contemporary literature into the classroom. Units range across all primary year groups and learning stages, all featuring quality texts, both fiction and non-fiction. They are all mapped to the Australian curriculum, often reaching across multiple curriculum areas. Explore them here and keep an eye out for our premium units of work created to be taught across the whole school. In this section of the website, you can also catch up on webinars from past live sessions by watching them on demand. They're perfect for staff meetings. Plus, you can read our back catalogue of Peter Papers, practical case study articles that connect research and practice and can be extremely useful for teachers on your staff. I hope that this has helped you become more familiar with the resources you're now entitled to as a Peter member. We are so excited to have you on board, and we are always here to help you find the support you might need. Have a look around the website, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at info@petaa.edu.au or give us a buzz at 1300 307 382. Notify your teachers that the school has a membership. We will also notify teachers of their login details.